What you need to know about visiting the Napa Valley not only answers your top questions, but also addresses answering questions about things you don't even think about in planning your trip but become more relevant upon arrival. If you're new to the PairRec channel, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to receive useful answers to your most important questions about visiting the San Francisco Bay Area. Besides the 16 American Viticultural Areas, or AVA wine tasting regions, there's also the City of Napa, which has many points of interest you can explore as you make your way towards the heart of Napa Valley. In downtown Napa, you can find public parking on 900 Brown Street. It has a 7-foot clearance with 4 floors of parking stalls. The Embassy Suites offers outdoor and indoor pools, made for TV breakfast, and complimentary evening receptions. The Marriott Hotel and Spa has outdoor garden spaces, a luxurious resort-style swimming pool, and on-site restaurants. Hilton Garden Inn provides on-site restaurant, free parking, free Wi-Fi, digital key, and outdoor pool. The Hotel Ignido is pet-friendly, has 42-inch TVs, and a specialty channel and refrigerator. And the Hotel Andes provides concierge and valet parking, wine tastings, and complimentary minibar stocked with snacks and beverages. The Grove at Copia features Mediterranean-inspired cuisine. Besides beer, Trade Brewing also serves gourmet all-beef and Polish hot dogs. Restaurant Allegria features Italian influence with California cuisine. Don Perico Mexican cuisine serves enchiladas, tacos, kid menus, chimichangas, burritos, and breakfast. Il Posto is an Italian restaurant which serves pasta, pizza, tortillas, salads, and much more. The Oxbow Market provides local food vendors, artisan foods, cafes, and organic produce outlet for local farms. Charlie Palmer's Steakhouse Napa Valley showcases artisanal American beef under the influence of local wine country flavors. Tarla Mediterranean Bar and Grill has received numerous Michelin Guide recommendations and has received Wine Spectator's Award of Excellence. Napa Palisade Saloon serves a variety of burgers, salads, snacks, and appetizers. Chole's Chop House features certified prime steaks, Midwestern corn-fed black Angus beef, formula-fed veal, New Zealand lamb, and fresh seafood. Osprey Seafood provides wild seafood, farm seafood, caviar, oysters, pantry items, and prepared food. Ranch Market has been supplying the community and visitors of Napa Valley with locally sourced specialty items since 1976. There is directional signage throughout downtown Napa, enabling you to find your point of interest. The murals are extraordinary. Annette's chocolates also feature truffles, brittles, and dessert sauces. There is a Bank of America ATM machine for your withdrawal cash needs. Chinese acupuncture and herb for Eastern healing. KO Performance can help you with weight loss, strength gain, improved endurance, and better posture. St. Pierre Massage and Spa was voted the best massage in Napa Valley by the North Bay Bohemian. Grace Church in Napa Valley will help you along your spiritual journey. Additional services include massage therapy, Starbucks, and a jewelry store. You can be assured your vehicle won't run out of gas. Car wash services are available. There is a transit hub that will connect you to several of the bus routes that will transport you throughout the Napa Valley. You will find many vineyards with wine grapes on them during harvest season, which is between late August through early November. You will find a wonderful trail along Solano Avenue with resting areas, air pumps, restrooms, and much more. Besides the trail, you can also cycle along Solano Avenue. Walt Wines offers chocolate and wine pairing of their Pinot Noirs. John Anthony Vineyards portfolio presents a diverse range of exceptional library vintages. Jam Cellars is all about easy buttery Chardonnay, butter cans, butter cab, and butter bubbles. Laird Family Estate provides cheese and chocolate truffle pairings with their wines. Salinas Wineries Eat Like a Local program is available with any reservation. The Napa Valley Wine Train takes you on a 36-mile round-trip discovery to St. Helena and back, stopping at celebrity wineries along the way while serving gourmet cuisine. The welcome signage to Napa Valley is a great way to establish your mark in visiting the most famous wine region in the United States, located at 7647 Highway 29 in Napa. PairRec route began from the Oxbow Market along First Street, with a right turn on California, left turn on Lincoln Avenue, and then a right turn on Solano Avenue towards the cottages of Napa Valley. This concludes our informative adventure on answering some of your most frequently asked questions for visiting the Napa Valley. We hope you enjoyed all the points of interest you may inquire about in your journey throughout the wine country. If so, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember to ring the bell for updates to the next exciting PairRec video as we continue our journey throughout the Napa Valley. That's all for now, and have a nice day.